Next category, that is the data frames. The data frames are the tabular data objects, just like the matrix. Each column can contain the different modes of the data in the data frame. The first column can be numeric, while the second column can be character, and third column can be logical. Means there is no specific rule like which can be the first column, second or third. It can be anything in case of the data frames. It is the least of the vectors of the equal length. Okay, so length has to be equal. The different in the length, it is not allowed in this data frames category. They are created by using the simple function data.frame and a bracket. So syntax is very easy, that is data.frame. Okay, so let's take example of the BMI. Okay, body mass index data frame, let's create. So for that, BMI is the vector. There are different vector nomenclature you can use. In place of BMI, you can write completely body mass index, in which you can use B small, B capital, whatever. But whatever the vector you have created, that has to be used in the subsequent things. So like the BMI used over here. So BMI caps to be used while printing. Okay, because R is a case sensitive language. Okay, so data.frame, bracket open, bracket close, and in between whatever the data or whatever the columns you want to create, that you may create. So here in this we have created 4 columns. One column is of gender. It is a column vector showing the gender male, male and female. If you want to add further more details, you can definitely add over it, no issues. Height of it, we have considered like 152, 171.5, 165 in the centimeter. If you want the height to be mentioned in the feet, that also you can go ahead with, no issues. Weight we have considered in kgs, like 81, 93, 78. If you want to go ahead with the pound, you can try for, no issues. Age, definitely in the years only. So 48, 38, 26. Likewise, it is been considered. So when we run this particular code, we get the output like this, in which it is created the column for gender, height, weight and age. So 3 rows. If you want to add the name, that also you can add. If you want to add date of birth, that also you can add, and likewise you can get the data frame output. So let's try it in a online compiler. Let's run the code for body mass index in online R compiler. So BMI we have considered as shown. Let's add the data, like name we can add. Let's create a column vector. Name need to specify. You can go for single inverted code or double inverted code. We'll go ahead with Ram. Ram. And Rita. Okay. So you need to add comma after each data which you are using, and after last column there is no requirement of comma or the full stop. Okay, so when we run this, we got an output of name Ram, gender male, height, weight, age. Likewise for Sham and Rita. Okay, so in this way the data frames can be created by using R. I hope you understood this.